Alright, we're in Treasure Island, Florida. Just giving you a look at the beach scene out there. That's the beach street. The reason you see so much traffic is because we got a sand sculpting contest down here. And I'm going to walk around the corner and show you that. If you think there's a lot of people out here on the street, wait till you see the beach over here. It's pretty amazing. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's windy, so expect some wind noise, guys. But it's a pretty cool event. I come down here every year.
There is one right there, though, between the two.
Alright. It's the aquarium where the celebrity dolphins hope and winter live. Alright, and this is our giant beach down here called Treasure Island. Wow. So they have this for like 4 days. That's because it takes them so long to make these sculptures. So today's the last day. That's why I always come down on Sunday. Looks like they're still not done though.
No, they do it they do it, but only with wooden forms.
Alright. Okay, donation event. One moment while I donate. Alright, here we go. T-shirts. That guy's talking about missing football. I knew that when I came down here, but this only happens one day. There's your alcohol tent. Oh, he's got a little guy on the other side. I'll make a good video, but I don't want to stand in front of everybody. This is interesting.
Great.
Oh, yeah. This is a flash drive. He holds so many memories that he's never been. Oh, yeah.
A lot of these are what I describe interpretive. It's kind of very interesting stuff.
A couple years ago.
This is called Forbidden Love. Oh, she's with a satyr.
I think I remember that one. This one's a little bizarre too, huh? I think they're inside the tree. Bigger than a little boy over there.
That's Pan.
Here's a little artist in training here. correlation. Sound letter. Oh, that's good actually. Here's all the sponsors. But you can't read with this angle of the sun. So.
What?
There's these fat wheel bikes. Thought about getting one of those, but I don't really ride on the sand, so. Alright. Some more sculptures. Sorry, there's food over there. I got distracted.
Good deal. All right, no, baby.
It's pretty cool.
Like them?
That one's called Fix Me.
We went to our seats meeting, and I work our black cross.
That actually looks comfortable.
I wore my dress shoes just for the picture.
See what they got on the other side. There's usually something interesting on both sides. Nope. No. Alright. Well, that was fast. But this is a huge event for vendors too out here. You can eat and drink. There's the food court, so to speak, is right in front of us. And then they got souvenirs just like crazy. And there's a live band, but fortunately they're not playing right now. And it's fortunate because that's what makes YouTube cut your video off. This is a really local product here. This area grows a lot of sponges.
There was an emergency, but that's all.
Alright.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I won't make you guys go shopping with me, but get the idea of how big and cool this event is. Alright, so I'll walk you out toward the beach here. That looks good. I'm probably going to be getting a hot dog or pizza. Maybe some pulled pork. Oh, look at that. Holy moly. All right. You know what I'm doing next. All right, guys. By the way, this is also where they have the kite festival, which happens in January. I'll show you that too. But this is an awesome beach for festivals because it's so huge. All right, guys. There's our Gulf of Mexico. Our third trip to the Gulf of Mexico today. Don't know if I'll do any more videos today, but if I do, just keep an eye out on our channel, our Facebook channel. And if you miss our videos, you can always catch them on Florida Beach Rentals on YouTube. All right, guys, have a great Sunday.